Alright, it's summertime. Time to pull out the grill again and put some meat on there. This time, let's just cook some hamburgers. This is an easy meat to cook, though a lot of people seem to burn them because of flare-ups. Let's cook them a different way, using indirect heat. It may take a little longer, but boy are they good. You're going to need a lighter, 4 sheets of paper, a pair of gloves, charcoal, make sure it's your favorite, a chimney starter, and some clean grates. Once you have the previous, open up your grill and set the chimney starter on the grill grates. Once in position, fill the chimney starter with charcoal. Take your paper and ball them up, but not too tight. Put the balls of paper on the grates and put the chimney starter on top of them. Get your lighter and proceed to light the paper. Try to get all the sides if you can. Leave the lid open to the grill. Do not add any fluids or extra paper. I'm going to put my gloves on and slide the chimney starter to the right side. I'm going to remove the left grate. With both hands, pick up the chimney starter by the handles and pour in the coals. Replace the grate. Set the chimney starter on concrete, asphalt, or something that would not melt. Or even an empty flower pot will do. If children are around, make sure to keep them clear. You can wipe off the ashes with a small brush or grill cleaner. Let the coals burn for a few minutes longer. Our coals look good, so it's time to add those burgers. We're going to put them on the right side of the grill. When you are done, close the lid and fully open the intake vent. Temperature should start to rise. When temps reach around 290 degrees, I close the intake to 3/4. I cook my burgers in the range of 290 to 325. Burgers are going to get the sauce. Going to flip the burger to the hot side for a few seconds to char them. Once flipped, sauce the other side and turn over quickly. Process should take less than 2.5 minutes. When done, you should have some really tasty and juicy hamburgers or sliders such as these, with no hard edges whatsoever. When all food is removed, shut all the vents and close the lid. Congratulations.